Guys, this is what I am dealing with. Look at it. Just look at it. So I've decided to change this room around now. Right, this is a view from the other side of the room. Oh. Do you ever start a job and wish you'd never bothered? Because that's me right now. And then I got stuff out here, and I've got stuff here on the bed. That's all blankets, like crocheted. So Chris has gone to get some like plastic storage, see if we can get those in and in the attic, because they're for like Christmas presents. So I need to crack on. I don't want to, but I have to. So let's do this, shall we?
The limits with you right now. So what's your feelings? The city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in this world, gonna get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in this world, gonna get it right now. We only need the two of us to...
Right then, guys, I can show you the room now. Okay, I started doing this at 1:45 this afternoon, and it is now 5 to 7 in the evening. This is how long it's taken me to do everything, but we have done a really good declutter and everything. So as you can see from here, moved the dressing table back under the window, chucked a load of stuff out, some to charity shops. We've bought up my crafting stuff. As I said, I didn't bring up the desk, but I bought up this, or Chris bought up this. So that's going to be from my sewing machine. That's my crafting stuff in there. But I'll be able to do my crafting on here anyway. So that's there. Sorted out all of this, given it all a hoover, all a clean. Don't look at me, I look awful. Everything's been cleaned and sorted out, so I feel good about that. And then the bedroom, so we did the bedroom as well. So we've both gone through all of our drawers as well. So I've got like underwear and like essentials in like the bedside cabinet, so like tissues, and got some paracetamol in there, hand cream, that sort of stuff. And Chris has done very similar. And then I've got like underwear and bras in two of my drawers that Chris has got, I think, socks and pants in his. And then we've sorted out all of these drawers. The only thing I haven't done is to give the front of this unit a wash, which I'm going to do now because I actually forgot about it. But we've gone through loads and sorted it out. And as I say, I've been up here for hours on end doing it all. So on the back of the door, I got Chris to hang my wreath that I made some time ago now, and just to put like a hook in the door for these jewelry things that hang on the door. And then other than that, it does look quite tidy and a lot more spacious. Ideally, I would love a big room. However, I'd probably still fill it, to be fair. So keeping a small room kind of keeps me under control a little bit. So that's all been done, and it's all been cleaned and dusted, and the same in here. So tomorrow I need to come up and clean the bathroom. It's not bad, but you know, it needs a proper clean. I haven't done it. Didn't do that today. Just watered those plants. I did also declutter these cupboards, give them all a wash out and sort of sort everything out in here and in that one. So cleaning products in there and other bits and bobs, but that's all been sorted out now as well. So tomorrow it's the bathroom, and it's to clean and hoover the floor, the whole floor, wash the bathroom floor, Luke's room, and I'll probably just put the hoover all the way through again anyway. So that's it. I would turn the camera around and show you me, but I look one hot sweaty mess. As you know, I've been here for hours and hours and hours doing this. So I'm going to love you and leave you. I hope you've enjoyed this decluttering cleanup video. If you have and you like a bit of like decluttering and house cleaning, please give this video a thumbs up, and I would absolutely love it if you subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you in my next video. So I'll talk to you soon then, my lovelies. Bye for now. Bye bye.